So your Nissan Titan's battery keeps dying? You're not alone, this is a common headache. Let's break down what's going on. First, what does the alternator do? It charges your battery and powers your electrical systems while you drive. When it fails, your truck relies only on the battery, which drains fast. Step 1. Look for warning signs. Dashboard battery light on, dim headlights, or strange electrical glitches. Step 2. Pop the hood. Check the alternator belt. Is it loose, cracked, or broken? A bad belt means the alternator can't spin and make electricity. Step 3. Listen for odd noises. A whining or grinding sound from the alternator often means trouble. Step 4. Test the battery voltage. With the engine running, a healthy alternator should boost voltage above 13.5 volts. If not, it's likely the alternator at fault. If you see these symptoms, don't ignore them. Your Titan could stall or leave you stranded. Replace a faulty alternator sooner rather than later, and make sure to use quality parts. Remember, when in doubt, consult a professional mechanic. Keep your Nissan Titan running strong by staying alert to these warning signs.